Jamming lick on my smiling. He could leave them to hide. We came on so loaded, man. Well, on the snow white time. So where were the spiders? Just the fear like to guide us. So we bitched about his fans and should we grant his sweet hand? Oh. Ziggy played the time, jiving us that we were. It was just crass. He was the nice with God-given eyes. He took it Ziggy played guitar, jamming good with Weird and Gilly and the spiders from Mars. He played it left hand, but made it too far. Became the special man, then we were Ziggy's band. Ziggy really sang, screwed up eyes and screwed down hairdo, like some cat from Japan. He could lick on by smiling, he could leave them to hide. They came on so loaded, man, well hung the snow white tan. So where were the spiders? While the fly tried to raid our bones, well, just the fear like to guide us. So we bitched about his fans and should we grant his sweet hand? Oh. Ziggy played for time, jiving us that we were voodoo. The kids were just crass. He was the nice with God-given eyes. He took it all too far, but boy could he play guitar. Making love with his ego, Ziggy sucked up into his mind, like a leper messiah. When the kids had killed the man, I had to break up the band. Oh yeah. Ziggy played guitar.
Just in case you don't know, right? That there is Chris de Burgh, right? He's the father of Rosanna Davidson, who was Miss World, Miss Universe, you know? She's married to, yeah, it doesn't really matter, they're fucking, you know, all that, right? So, she's a lovely woman, she really is. See that guy there? He's one of the greatest influences, like, you know, in an Irish pop music, soul music, folk music. in the last 50 years. And he gets zero credit for it because, look, okay, he just doesn't get any, that guy wasn't out with Phil Lynott and doing it all, and he wasn't knocking around with the Rasps, and he wasn't doing the U2 and all. But he fucking wrote great songs, he really did. Here's one of them, which I've never heard before.
Misty line of music where the beat are never still, and pretty senoritas dressed up for kill. They'll be glad that you're coming to Brazil. Yeah, me too. So glad that you're coming to Brazil. Ooh, next thing you know, you're out there dancing in the streets, working with the people on that bossa nova beat, and some dark-eyed lady brings you wine on a chicken wing. In Brazil, where the carnival is king, yes. Brazil, where the carnival is king. Everybody's singing, la 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil. Ooh, Rio de Janeiro is the kind of place for me. Dancing in the moonlight, making love down by the sea. From Copacabana to the Corcovado Hill, everybody's always singing in Brazil, yeah. Everybody's singing in Brazil, all together now. La 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil, la 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 Brazil, Casa do Brasil, Casa do Brasil, Casa do Brasil, Casa do these wings would hold me forever and on to eternity. And far away I can hear your voice. I can hear it in the silence of the morning. But these broken wings have let me down. They can't even carry me home. In broken dreams that keep me from sleeping, I remember all the things I said. Well, I've broken all the promises I said I would be keeping. They're gone like leaves they fell. For it's so hard when you're far away. All I needed was a shoulder I could cry on. Now these broken dreams have woken me. My love, will you carry me home? Or will you treat me like some traveler on a dark and lonely road, who sees a light and a woman who will give him love? Or just when she reaches the part when she's supposed to comfort his broken heart, she turns away and sends him traveling on. Oh, when I left, I believed that nothing would go wrong. I thought the whole world would be waiting for my story. Take me back, my love, I need you now. Come back and carry me home. Take me back and heal these broken wings. Come back and carry me home. Laughing all the day in small pubs where pipes and fiddlers play, and telling jokes and rules and tall tales to pass the time away. I saw the sun set in the sky, and in the I heard the night birds cry. Boys living on your western shore, saw the summer sunset, I asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic Sea, and I sang a song for Ireland. Dreaming in the night of that quiet land where no man has to fight. On silver wings they fly, and all the time it seems so right. I saw the Galway salmon run into the dark blue, sheltering from the sun. Boys living on the western shore, saw the summer sunset, I asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic Sea, and I sang a song for Ireland. Your mighty cliffs of Moher, around your rocky slopes the seabirds soar, where the hare and rabbit play. Now your mighty ocean seems so far away. I stood on Dingle Beach and cast into the wild foam for the Atlantic blast. Boys living on your western shore, saw the summer sunset, I asked for more. I stood by your Atlantic Sea, and I sang a song for Ireland.
chicken and black. That's fried chicken, curry chicken, damn I'm getting fat. Arroz con pollo, french fries and crepe. An appetite for destruction, but I scrape the plate. I love girls I adore. Yo, put your number on this paper, cause I would love to date you. Holla at you when I come off tour.
I love girls all over the floor.
I come scoop you in that coupe, sitting on 2 zeros. Fix your hair in the mirror, let's roll. Come on. I got this young chick, she's so immature. She like, why you don't buy me Reeboks no more? Like to show out in public, throw tantrums on the floor. Gotta toss a couple dollars just to shut up a holler. Got a project chick that plays a part. And if it goes down, y'all, that's my heart. Baby girl, so thorough, she been with me from the start. Hit my drugs from the knobs, hit my guns by the park. I got this model chick that don't cook or clean, but she dress her ass off and her walk is mean. Only thing wrong with mine is when it's on the scene. Goddamn, she fine, but she parties all the time. Like a creeping fire, college from my stories chick. She run around in that tight blue dress, she thick. She gives me extra pillows and seatback love. So I had to introduce her to the Mountain Club. Now that's young chicks do it is project and model. That means I fly rough, early, plus I know top. That means I flew stay in beat, but I never have a problem with my first class seat. I love.
Come, fix yourself. Pass the phone, just there. The lock.
Yo, put your number on this paper, cause I would love to meet you. Holla at you when I come on.
Whatever we got to share. If you jump to me, we can see some hard days. Every other day, white brown.
Sitting on 2 zeros, fix your hair in the mirror, let's roll. I got this paranoid chick, she's scared to come to the house. Hypochondriac who says ouch, she won't whip it out. Got a chick from Peru, that sniff Peru. She got a cousin that custom, that get shit through. Got this weed head chick, she always catch me doing shit. Crazy girl, wanna leave me, but she always forgets. Got this Chinese chick, had to leave her quick, cause she kept bootlegging my shit. I got this African chick with Eddie Murphy on the skull. She like, Jigga man, why you treat me like animal? I'm like, excuse me, Miss Fufu, but when I met your ass, you was dead, broken, naked, and now you one half. I got this hoe that after 12 million sold. Mommy's a narcoleptic, always sleep in her home. Got her tied back in her head like this nigga. Oh, I got so many girls across the globe. I love
Pass the furniture.
you. Put your number on this paper, cause I would love to meet you. Holla at you when I come
Who
on.
cares? Whatever we got to share. Family tries to be handy with the rolling pin when the landlord comes to call.
I can't hold this day anymore. Understand me anymore. To tread this fantasy openly, what have I done? Oh, this uncertainty is taking me to tread this fantasy openly. What have I done? Oh, this uncertainty is taking me over. Is taking me over.
This is Georgios Michaelos. This is the thing, you see, when I see you, right, this is what I want.